Today's adventure, we're heading to northern Arizona to check out Pivot Rock Spring, do an overnighter in the woods, and check out Sundance Canyon. Right now we're on Pivot Rock Spring Trail. So the plan is to check out Pivot Rock and then the spring that actually comes out of a cave that should be right next to Pivot Rock or a little bit farther down. We'll check. But yeah, we're just gonna take it easy. It's just a chill hike, and we are gonna check it out. I think. So what do you think? Do you think it's Bean's mom or Bean's dad that was a billy goat?
Oh, his dad for sure.
Oh yeah, his dad.
I think we're already almost there.
Yeah? This dude hikes like crazy, like he's just gung-ho for it. You got it, Beans.
You step down. Step down.
You got it.
Sometimes I have to show him.
Oh yeah.
So.
Okay. You got it. Oh, you gotta go right maybe, huh? Mom's gonna direct you on the four-wheeling trail like how I direct her in the Jeep.
He's scared.
Okay, we'll carry you down, Beans. Sometimes there's obstacles Bean can't make it down or up, so we got to give him a little boost, huh? Yeah.
All right, so James and possibly Bean are gonna check this cave out.
This is crazy.
Bean's wondering why you left him.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy. It just formed from a stream trying to go through it over time.
How many years do you think? Thousands? Millions?
Thousands for sure.
Millions and millions. Oh yeah. God, you gotta be a child to get back here. It opens up to a big cavern. Oh, this does not feel good on the knees. All right, this place is awesome. This is a huge cavern. Whoa. All right, hold on. This is crazy. Probably goes to what, like 20 feet? Yeah, I'd say 20-ish feet. Then it goes off that way a little bit. Goes off over there. And back in here. Wow. This is no joke. This is so cool. That's the way out. Bean's wondering where I'm at. Good boy. So how'd you like it?
It was pretty cool. I didn't want to climb in it though because I'm not really dressed for it, but it was cool to see, and Bean was not too happy while you were in there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was I never even knew that existed there. Like that's super awesome. The spring coming out of a cave like that. I was kind of scared there was gonna be like a snake or I don't know, mice or something in there. If the trail is easy enough to cover in socks and stocks, it is definitely a trail for anybody. Uh-oh. That is not good. It says the guy's name and saying that they are at a Clover Canyon. Wow, that is way off of the road. They slammed into a tree also. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's that's not good. No, Bean, don't. You're gonna fall, dude. Okay, slow down, killer. What do you want? Okay, relax. No, Bean. You can't have beef jerky. It'll mess up his tummy. Yeah, we kind of picked a windy spot in the trees, but it's pretty cool watching the trees sway. But hopefully it dies down before it gets dark. We don't really want to have a flapping tent all night keeping us up. So I think we're gonna up and move camp. Not too far, only like 30-40 feet forward. We got a tree over here that has a pretty, two of them right next to each other. They have pretty nasty leans to them, and with the wind going how it is, I don't really want to wake up with a tree on me and the wife and the dog and the Jeep. So yeah, we're gonna up and move camp.
Good, good, good. Stop, stop, stop. Reject piece. Yeah, that tastes like pizza without the sauce.
All right, we just got dinner done. Natalie gave me her second sandwich. Her sandwich blew mine away. Hers was awesome. It did miss the beer mustard though. We forgot to bring that. We're gonna warm up some shower pouches and then go lay in the tent and call it a night. To take our showers, I seen on the shower pouch Instagram them boiling the shower pouches so you don't take a freezing shower anymore. Well, I guess wipe yourself down with the freezing wipe. So the plan is to get the water to a boil and then turn it off and just let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to let the shower pouches get nice and hot, and then it'll be time to shower. So we just got done using the warm shower pouches. That's like a must-do thing. We prefer shower pouches, so get those. But yeah, the warmed up shower pouches, it's perfect. And then if you need to wash your face afterwards or anything like that, just use the hot water that you use to warm up the pouches. Good morning, Beans. Good morning, Squirt. Oh yeah, that was a cold night, huh, buddy? That was not fun. Yeah, not fun at all, yeah. Oh yeah, buddy, oh. What a night. We didn't really pack for it to be in the high 20s, low 30s. So yeah, we froze a little bit. But Bean was good. He didn't turn into an ice cube. But yeah, we are up and at 'em. We have the tent unpacked. Now it's time to make some coffee. We're gonna start the Jeep and let it warm up. So while I'm making coffee, if that's what you hear, that's what it is. And yeah, we're gonna get ready after that and go hike. Oh, that steam's hot. How much you want? Half a cup, 3/4? Oh. So you got the zoomies at camp? All right, now we're all packed up. We're gonna head on our way to the trailhead to go to Sundance Canyon. We're gonna check it out, you guys. Got it, Bean. You're gonna crawl under it. Real time. Come on, Bean. Nice.
Come on, Bean.
Come on, buddy. This way. Come on. Don't be scared. I got you. I wasn't gonna let you jump that crazy. That's too steep for you, too high. Alright, this is a pretty steep to take Bean on. It goes down a ways. It's probably 200-foot drop. Just hiking down, just really steep. So I don't know if we're gonna take Bean on this. This yeah, might be too much for him. So yeah, I think we're gonna turn back. If we didn't have Bean on the trip with us, it would definitely be something we'd hike. But yeah, just carrying Bean up and down that be too much for both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a heck of a drop. So yeah, we're gonna turn back, head to the Jeep, and it's just gonna be carrying Bean up the entire time. So we're gonna put this one on the list, and when we don't have Bean for a weekend, we're gonna head back out here and conquer this trail to Sundance Canyon.
This way. There you go.
Dang, Bean, you're killer. Go, Bean. You got it. You got it. You got it.
You can do it.
You got it, buddy. You got it. Go. Yeah, good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, his dad was a billy goat. Crazy little dude. He's like pulling me up the hill like a little sled dog. Alright, I guess someone went home with one shoe. But, come on. Pack your trash out, people. What's wrong with you guys? Alright, you guys, what's going on here? If you're gonna bring it in here, at least pack it out. Jeez. It's not that hard. Alright, you guys, we got off the rough road. We are all good to go. By the sound of the motorcycle, we are right next to the highway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next adventure.
Have a good one, guys.